In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ticktick to capture tasks, organize with lists, and boost productivity with Pomodoro and habits. Ticktick is a simple but powerful task manager that starts with one key idea: capture everything quickly, then sort and refine. When you first open the app, create an account so your tasks sync across phone, desktop, and web. This keeps your to-dos consistent everywhere, and it lets you take advantage of reminders and calendar views without worrying about losing anything. Begin by adding tasks as soon as they pop into your head. Use the quick add button and just type naturally. TickTick's smart date recognition understands phrases like submit report tomorrow at 3 p.m. or pay rent on the 1st, and it will automatically set the due date and time for you. Everything lands in your inbox first, so you don't have to pause to organize. The goal is speed. Get it out of your head and into the app. Once you've captured a handful of tasks, move them from the inbox into custom lists that match your life, such as work, personal, or a specific project. Lists keep related tasks together, while tags add flexible context across lists. For example, add a tag like errands or calls to group tasks you can batch later. If a task has multiple parts, break it down with subtasks so you always know the next small action. Open a task to set the details that make it actionable. Add due dates and times, choose a priority to highlight what matters most, and set reminders so nothing slips. If a task repeats, adjust its repeat settings to automate it. The more specific you make these fields, the easier it becomes to plan your day with clarity. When you're ready to focus, use the built-in Pomodoro timer. Select a task, start a focused work session, and let the timer guide you with short breaks in between. This helps reduce procrastination and keeps you moving steadily. For routines you want to build, like stretching, reading, or language practice, switch to the habit tracker, create a habit, pick the days, and check it off as you go. Habits complement tasks by reinforcing consistent behavior over time. Finally, use the today and calendar views to schedule your workload. Drag tasks onto the calendar to visualize your day, then commit to a realistic plan. Capture quickly, organize into lists and tags, refine details, focus with Pomodoro, and reinforce progress with habits. This workflow keeps your mind clear and your day structured.